are two terms that you need to know before we start: crop rotation and plantation. Crop rotation is changing what crop you plant every year so the soil doesn't become exhausted of nutrients. A plantation is a large farm that only grows one or two crops. Usually workers there are slaves or get slave wages. Climate prevents farmers to grow rice in parts of Asia, mainly because there is not enough rain or a harsh environment. This type of agriculture is mainly away from large bodies of water like northern India. Wheat is the most grown crop, followed by barley. Other than what is grown, the region is almost the same as with wet rice. Some parts of the region are able to get multiple harvests using crop rotation. Since 1949, individuals in China have owned little agricultural land. Instead, the government made producer communes made up of several villages. China's government thought that this would promote more agricultural efficiency, but the exact opposite happened. China then dismantled them because the communes still owned the land that they had, and it was divided between all of the farmers. And the farmers are able to sell their land to other people to do whatever they want with it. Plantations are a kind of commercial agriculture found in developing countries. Most of them are located in the tropics and subtropics. Plantations are generally owned by Europeans or North Americans because it is cheaper to own them in developing countries. Some of the crops grown on plantation include cotton, sugarcane, coffee, rubber, and tobacco. Plantations are usually suited in sparsely settled locations, so workers must be imported and provided with food and shelter. Plantation managers try to spread out the work evenly to make use of the labor force. Until the Civil War, plantations were important in the South. Most grown crops were cotton, tobacco, and sugarcane.